Alright, let me quickly set the context before we get into it. I've noticed that whenever cloud mining comes up, the reaction is always the same. Some people immediately assume it doesn't work, others think it's overly complicated, and most just ignore it altogether. And to be fair, I understand why. There's been a lot of inconsistency around this space. But instead of focusing on opinions, I wanted to approach it from a practical angle. Over the past few weeks, I kept seeing the same question pop up. Is there actually a simple way to get into this without dealing with hardware, setups, or all the technical overhead that usually comes with mining? So rather than speculating, I decided to go through the process myself and just see how it performs step by step. Now, if you look at traditional mining, it's pretty clear why most people don't even try it. Equipment, configuration, maintenance. It's time-consuming and not very accessible if you're just getting started. Cloud mining simplifies that. Instead of running everything on your own side, you're accessing remote computing power through a platform. The platform I've been using for this is HashCluster. Once you're inside, the first step is choosing the asset. There are quite a few options available, different networks, different use cases. For this example, I'm going with XRP. After that, you move on to the plan selection. This is where the main difference comes in. You've got different speed levels, and each one has a slightly different fee structure. At 1x speed, the fee is 8%. At 2.5x, it's 9%. At 6x, it's 10%. And at 14x, it goes up to 11%. So it's pretty straightforward. Higher speed means higher cost, but faster results. From what I've tested, the 6x option with the 10% fee feels like the most balanced choice. It's not the lowest fee, but it gives you a good mix of speed and efficiency. So I select that, and then I hit start. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, don't close the tab and don't switch away while the process is running. If you interrupt it, it can stop. So just leave it open and let it complete. The runtime is usually around 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, once it's done, you'll see the result directly on the screen. From here, you can either run another session or proceed with withdrawal. I'm going to stop here and move to the withdrawal step. So now the platform asks for a wallet address. I'm using Trust Wallet for this. I open it, go to XRP, copy the receiving address, come back, and paste it into the field. Next step is confirming the transfer, but before that, there's a service fee for using the platform's computing resources. This is pretty standard for cloud-based infrastructure. You can either connect your wallet directly using Wallet Connect, which is the easier option, or just send it manually. I'll do it manually here. I'm selecting USDT on the TRC20 network, copying the payment address, then going into Trust Wallet, choosing USDT, hitting send, pasting the address, and entering the exact amount shown on the platform. Send. After that, I come back and confirm the transaction. Now we just wait for the network confirmation. Usually doesn't take long. While that's processing, one thing I'll say, what matters here isn't just the numbers you see on the screen, it's consistency. The biggest issue with platforms like this is not whether something works once, but whether it works the same way every time. That's something you should always pay attention to. Alright, let's check the wallet. Refreshing, and there it is. The XRP has been received. So that's the full process from start to finish. No hardware, no setup, just a sequence of steps you follow. If you're trying to understand how this works in practice, this should give you a clear picture. And if you decide to test it yourself, just take it step by step and pay attention to the details. That's pretty much it.